Yeah. Back then it was us. We used to chase the midnight lights, laughing loud on empty streets. You held my hand like time was ours, like nothing good could ever leave. Oh, photographs and blurry calls still live inside my tired mind. I hear your voice in every song, but you're just someone left behind. And I still go back to the nights we dreamed too much, when forever felt so close, and your heartbeat felt like home. Back then it was us, against the world, against the dark. Two young souls, one broken heart. Now your shadow's all I touch. Back then it was real, every promise, every kiss. Now I'm drowning in the memories of everything we used to be. Back then it was us. The coffee stains, the late night drives, your jacket hanging by my door. I never thought the goodbye word would leave me empty on the floor. You moved on like seasons change, while I stay stuck in yesterday, trying to find the missing piece that left the moment you walked away. If I could turn the clock around, I'd hold you longer than before, 'cause love was simple in your arms, and I don't feel that anymore. Back then it was us, we were fire, we were young. Now the silence weighs a ton, and I still miss who we once were. Back then it was love, pure enough to heal the pain, but some hearts don't stay the same. Still I whisper through the dust. Back then it was us.